Here is how to download your entire Google Drive at once. So let's get started. So this is a tool by Google which allows you to export your data. So once you're here, the first thing to check is that you've signed in with the correct account. You can see this on the top right, and if you want to switch the account, you can do that from here. Once this is done, the next step is to click on Deselect All, that's here, and then scroll down till you find Google Drive. As you can see, it's come here. So just select, and here they've said that all files which are stored in My Drive and computers, these will get downloaded. Then they have some more options. So if you just click on All Drive Data Included, then over here you can decide what all data you want. So if you want all your data, don't make any change. Otherwise, just uncheck the first option and now select what data you want. Then if you click on Advanced Settings, over here you can decide if you want some additional information. So if you want this, you can select it and click on OK. Once this is done, scroll down to the bottom, click on Next Step. So then here, don't make any change. So they'll send a link via email, and with that link, you can download all your data onto your system. Don't make any change over here and click on Create Export. And as you can see, the request has been sent. So based on how much data you have, it may take some time to create your link, but now just open your inbox to keep checking for this mail. As you can see, I received this mail and my data is ready. So here just click on Manage Google Takeout Request. Then here you can see the file size, and to download it, just click on Download. You'll have to enter your password once. And as you can see, the zip file got downloaded. So now the only thing left to do is unzip this, and then you can access all of your data. So now in File Explorer, just go to the location. It will most likely be in Downloads. So I'll open File Explorer. Then here, come to Downloads, and you can see the zip file is here. Just click on this and select Extract All. Click on Extract, and as you can see, all our data is here. So just click on these folders, and here you'll see all of your data. So this is how it works. And if you want to know how to download all mails from Gmail, check out this video. Goodbye.